gentlemen, please stand for the playing of the national anthem. Ladies and gentlemen, please be seated. Good afternoon. I'm Staff Sergeant here with the Master of the Ceremony for today's graduation. On behalf of the 345th Training Squadron Commander, Major Jason Laus, we welcome you to today's graduation of the Service Apprentice Course. At this time, I would like to take a moment to recognize our official partner, Director of Operations, Major Casey. Flight Commander, Services Academy, Captain Beck. In COIC Services Academy, Technical Sergeant Snelson. I would also like to acknowledge our family, friends, faculty, students, and those viewing virtually today. Thank you for your attendance. While attending technical training, our students challenge themselves to grow both personally and professionally. Students are challenged to learn and perform both tasks individually and as a team throughout the course, creating the motivated, cohesive team you see before you here today. Services students completed 28 academic training days, totaling 221 instruction hours. The course instructed students on the principles of food service, fitness and sports, and readiness. The training that the students received was designed to provide them with the basic skills and concepts they will need to be successful in the services career field. Furthermore, the Pittston Barger flight was comprised of active duty, Air Force Reserve, and the Air National Garrison from around the country. The graduating flight, Pittston Barger's name, came from Airman First Class William H. Pittston Barger, who was originally awarded the Air Force Cross, which was eventually upgraded to the Medal of Honor. He was an Air Force rescue jumper and elite group of rescue and medical professionals during the Vietnam War. On April 11, 1966, Airman Pittston Barger volunteered to be on a rescue helicopter in order to evacuate casualties in the Saigon region. After several pickups, one of the two rescue helicopters involved in the evacuation was struck by heavy enemy ground fire and was forced to leave the sea for an emergency landing. Even Pittston Barger stayed behind, repeatedly exposing himself to enemy fire to care for the wounded. In this vicious fight that followed, Airman Pittston Barger was wounded 3 times, yet continued to fight until he received a fatal wound. Airman Pittston Barger exposed himself to almost certain death by staying on the ground and perished while saving the lives of the wounded infantrymen. By remembering airmen like William H. Pittston Barger, we remember that all members of the United States Air Force, even our most junior members, can make a difference. With that being said, the class leader for Pittston Barger flight was A1C Elna Siawe. Sir, would you please stand and be recognized? Now we prepare for the presentation presentation of the graduating class technical training diploma. Pittsburgh flight. Prepare to graduate.
Class and class.
Technical Sergeant McCormick, would you please come forward to present the graduation certificates?
Roll right face.
Airman Basic Baby, Strengdon Air Base Journey. Staff Sergeant Barksdale, Air Force Base, Louisiana. Senior Airman Chisholm, Joint Base Andrews Detachment, Ohio. Airman Basic Gasiola Hill, Air Force Base, Utah. Staff Sergeant Griffin, Monster Air Force Base, Montana. A1C Penny, Duluth Air National Guard Base, Montana. Airman Basic Hodges, Barksdale Air Force Base, Louisiana. Airman Basic Lopez, Joint Base Elmendorf, Alaska.
Roll left face.
Roll right face.
Staff Sergeant Means, Allison Air Force Base, Alaska. A1C Seattle, Mountain Home Air Force Base, Idaho. Master Sergeant Slammer, Creech Air Force Base, Nevada. Airman Basic Smith, RAF Milton Hall Air Base, UK. Master Sergeant Chester, Scott Air Force Base, Illinois. Airman Basic White, Joint Base McGuire, New Jersey.
Roll left face.
Thank you, Technical Sergeant McCormick. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm proud to present the U.S. Services Apprentice graduate for the Pittsburgh flight.
Woo!
Graduates, please be seated. Now we would like to recognize one of Pittsburgh flight's outstanding performers, Captain Beck and Technical Sergeant Nelson. Will you please come forward to present the award? The Superior Culinary Award is presented to the student who demonstrates outstanding skills during the culinary training portion of the course. All students will be evaluated in the application of knowledge, the quality of food prepared, and the overall performance in the culinary arts laboratory. Career Colonial Award goes to Airman Basic White.
Thank you very much, sir. All right, so first we want to say thank you to all the families viewing virtually and in attendance here today. So let's give them a round of applause. So you guys are here now, right? Graduation day, and this is a big deal. Getting through both basic training, again, coming here, getting that curriculum is, again, a lot of work. It's that studying, that time and time again, having to take those exams, those PCs, that PT. All that stuff to this point, though, is done now, right? It's that building blocks to that next level. Now you have to go back to your units, to your future units, to the leadership positions, and now you're tasked right with what is next. That's going to be those CDCs, that education, leading, learning your job. The biggest thing is being willing to learn, but be willing to also take in any kind of advice that you can get, because the minute that you quit trying to learn is when all that growth stops. So always be open to advice, no matter what your rank is, where you're going, what you've done. There's always room to grow. Again, this is your guys' book. Every day is a new page, and you're the author of that book. Thank you all.
All right. Thank you. Thank you, Sergeant McCormick. Everyone, please stand for the recital of the Airman's Creed.
I am American Airman.
I am a warrior. I answer my nation's call. I am an American Airman. My mission is to fly, fight, and win. I am faithful to a proud heritage, a tradition of honor, and a legacy of valor. I am an American Airman, guardian of freedom and justice, my nation's sword and shield, its century and avenger. I defend my country with my life. I am an American Airman, wingman, leader, warrior. I will never leave an airman behind. I will never falter. That I will not fail.
Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes today's graduation ceremony. Please congratulate our U.S. Services Apprentice graduates to the front of the room. Pittsburgh flight dismissed.